Sunday recipe is a delicious, indulgent tiramisu smoothie. So to make this recipe, what you're going to need is a teaspoon of cacao powder. We're going to be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way protein powder, the coffee flavour. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of maple syrup, a little dash of pure vanilla extract. I've got 1 shot here of espresso, some coconut milk. You can also use water if you wanted to as well. And I've got a few ice cubes. So what I'm going to do is just blend all my ingredients together until it's nice and smooth and creamy.